Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jelena Elise, and today I'm going to show you guys how I cook my Italian turkey spaghetti. I am cooking for a family gathering that we're having for Father's Day. So to all the fathers, happy Father's Day. I hope you guys get your pampering that you deserve. And I want to just say happy Father's Day to my dad because I love him. So today I'm making this Italian turkey spaghetti. It's a super simple meal and it's something that I like to just make for family gatherings because it's simple, it's quick, it's easy, and usually it gets eaten up. So nothing to take home. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I make it, and so let's get straight into the ingredients. All right, so these are the ingredients I'm using today. I have my Bob Evans Italian pork sausage, my turkey Italian sausage, my minced garlic, ragu sauce, and of course my pasta, and I'm using fettuccine for this dish. My first step is adding my Bob Evans Italian pork sausage to my pan because my pork sausage is going to take the longest to cook, so I want to start that cooking first. And I'm not adding any type of grease to the pan because the pork is going to make its own grease to cook in, and that's what I'm going to use throughout the whole dish. And I'm just going to allow my pork sausage to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium-low heat. Alright, so my Italian pork sausage has now been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes on a medium-low heat. And now I'm just going to add my Italian ground turkey to my pork. And I'm not adding any type of oils or greases to the pan because the turkey is going to cook within the pork's grease that the pork has created. And I'm just going to break up my meat and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes just to get everything completely done before adding any other ingredients to it. As my meat is cooking, I'm boiling my water for my noodles, and I've added salt to the water to enhance the taste of the noodles. Alright, so as my meat is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic to my meat. And remember, if you are not a huge garlic fan, don't add this step. Don't put extra garlic into your dish. I like it for the extra flavor. But remember, make it your own. Alright, so this is my meat. It is completely done. And it is now time for me to go ahead and add my sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to add my sauce to my meat, and I thought I had started my video before adding the sauce, but I had not. And so I am using ragu, the traditional flavor for my sauce. And when I add my sauce to my meat, I like to add it a little at a time because it helps me to gauge to see how much sauce I actually want and need in the meat sauce, in the meat dish. And then as I add it, I just stir it up, and then I'll add some more, and then stir it up some more, and I'll just continue to add it until I reach the level of sauciness that looks good for me. As I let my sauce simmer and get thick, I am now adding my pasta to the boiling water. And I am breaking my pasta in half just because since I'm taking it to a gathering, as people serve themselves, it can be somewhat neat. I don't want the pasta to kind of just go every place as you're trying to serve yourself. And I am following the instructions on the box, and I'm cooking it for 9 minutes to get the pasta to al dente. And now I'm just going to add a couple of seasonings to my sauce. I'm adding some seasoned salts and some Italian seasoning. And I'm just doing this just to add a little bit more seasoning and flavor to my sauce. And then I'm just going to incorporate everything within, just give it a little stir. Alright, so my noodles are done. I drained my water off camera. And now I'm just going to add in my sauce. And my sauce is smelling so good. You can smell all of the seasonings as I'm pouring it in. It smells so good. And then I'm just going to give my noodles and sauce just a quick little flip. I don't want to stir my noodles together because I don't want them to actually get mushy. I want them to keep a tenderness to them. And so I'm just going to flip them a little bit and just get the sauce and the noodles incorporated with each other. And I can say my meal is finally complete. And this only took me about 25 minutes to make. Alright everyone, so my spaghetti is done. And in honor of Father's Day, I asked my dad could he taste it for me. Dad, can you come in here and taste it for me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So he's gonna be my taster today. This is my dad. Okay. How it taste?
Tastes good.
Really? Okay. All right, thank you. All right, so I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me as I made my Italian turkey spaghetti. This was a super simple, super quick, and so delicious meal to make. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you make it, make sure you let me know as well. Also, if you enjoyed this video or you enjoyed any of my other videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, ring that notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys soon and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.